Hey there, welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. Today we got a really quick video. It's just the Adams Polishes 8-bottle bag kit. If my wife will show you quickly. We're just gonna make this a really quick video. I already filmed this unboxing because last weekend my computer wasn't working right and I couldn't get videos out, and all of a sudden it worked right, so I put the videos out I wanted to put out, so this video wouldn't have sounded right because I talked about all that. So we're just gonna do it like this, not an unboxing. So first off, first thing I got was Undercarriage Spray. I have never used this. I'm really looking forward to using this. And I should mention this kit is $1.99, and I did it when I got 15% off using the HemiFam code, and 15% off made it $1.69. Then I got Waterless Wash, which I have used this in that sample kit in one of my videos you probably saw, and it came with the Waterless Wash 2-pack of towels. These are really good. This is a great product. I really like this Waterless Wash. The glass cleaner I've also tried. That's another reason I wanted this, is this kit, because it comes with this and it comes with 2-pack of glass cleaning towels. Interior detailer I have. It came in a mystery box that I ordered. Love it, works great. Came with some edgeless towels for that, and I will definitely use that. This stuff I have never used. VRT, never used this. It came with a block sponge. Their buttery wax that everybody talks about. It came with a wax applicator, hex applicator. The Brilliant Glaze, and everybody really raves about this product, with a red wax applicator. And then their Revive hand polish. I really don't know much about this, but it was kind of in the bag, so, and that's that. And the bag is a really nice embroidered bag. All 8 bottles will fit inside. Is the light good?
No.
How about this? All 8 bottles will fit inside, kind of like this. And then you can fit all your sponges and everything in there as well. I ordered 2 different bottles that didn't come with this. Everybody knows I love their tire shine, so I'm going to use, I got some of this, and I heard VRT works really good on tires as well, but love this stuff. Had to get more, I was almost out. And Mean Bee 392 did a video on their carpet and upholstery cleaner, and I was really impressed by how well this stuff worked in his video. If you have not seen his video, go to Mean Bee 392's YouTube channel. He's got a video on this. In a Chevy truck, I think, that's been in his family for a long time, had some stains in the carpet. It worked awesome. And I bought a Jeep Grand Cherokee for my wife, an 06, for really cheap, $400. That's what I'm doing the engine for. And it's got a lot of stains in it, and I wanted something to get it out. And I'm hoping that this works, because the day after I got this, my dad came over to help me put this door in right here, and he spilled his coffee all over his seat. And we went out, so I said, Daddy, we can try this. I've never used it. And he sprayed it all over his seat. We scrubbed it a little bit with an interior scrub brush, and the stain was gone. So that right there tells me how well it works. It got the coffee right out. So yeah, I know this was a very quick video. I'm gonna have another quick video right after this one. I got a Griot's Garage order in as well, and I'm gonna do an unboxing on that video. But I just want to at least get this video out on the Adams Polishes 8-bottle bag. Definitely worth the buy. Great products, and I can't wait to try them, and we're gonna be doing some review videos soon. So we will just see you next time.